Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that legendary 372 XPW chainsaw, 75 cc's, very powerful chainsaw. This one features a new 24-inch sprocket nose Husqvarna bar and a new 3/8 skip tooth chain. Skips a sequence. You can see we have spacing between the teeth. This saw really pulls this chain nice. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the options this saw has. Kill switch right here. Chokes on the right, as well as a throttle lock. When you pull this out, it trips the trigger at quarter throttle. You hear a little click when it goes off. Got the heavy-duty filter system, the XP system. Just a real nice filter, very high volume. Got the side load on your fuel reservoir and the oil reservoir. Wrap handlebar. And the double falling spikes. And the chain tensioner on this, you loosen the two nuts up right here. It's right on the side, easy to get at. Right there. Just a very heavy duty commercial chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.